So finally guys, war game match started between Solo Sikoa, Jacob Fatu, Tama Tonga, Tonga Lua and Big Bronson Reed, and Solo Sikoa, Low Cage and Roman Reigns tried to come in ring. Roman Reigns is going on
Why wouldn't you try that the first time?
top of steel cage, and Tama Tonga and Tonga Loa try to stop Roman Reigns, but Roman Reigns destroy one by one. Now Big Bronson Reed is going to stop Roman Reigns, but Roman Reigns also destroy Big Bronson Reed. Now Jacob Fatu is also going to stop Roman Reigns. Now finally Solo
Man, he's just
Sikoa
picking them off one by one here, reversing everyone.
is on top rope. Roman Reigns is
Now all
ready
of you
for
catch him. There's a
suicide dive on Solo Sikoa, Tama Tonga, Tonga Loa and Jacob Fatu. Super punch, another punch by Roman Reigns. One by one on all the Solo Sikoa's team.
Oh,
Roman Reigns fully control on Solo Sikoa team. Now the war game began. Roman Reigns, CM Punk, Jey Uso, Jimmy Uso and Sami Zayn versus Big Bronson Reed, Solo Sikoa, Tama Tonga, Jacob Fatu and Tonga Loa. War game match start. This is the final round of the men's war game match. Now all the team is try to smash each other. Roman Reigns handle Solo Sikoa, CM Punk handle Jacob Fatu.
it's hard, man. It's like a higher.
Now Big Bronson Reed going on top of the steel cage, going for suicide dive on Roman Reigns
There's no way he's hitting
on
it.
the table. But CM Punk save Roman Reigns from Big Bronson Reed tsunami on the table. Bronson Reed fully smashed the table
Uh-oh.
on
Watch
this
out.
war game
Reverse
match.
this.
Super kick by Jey
River
Uso,
kick.
super kick by Jimmy Uso and
No
Jacob
sell
Fatu,
this.
double super kick on
Oh.
Jacob Fatu. Now the Usos going to smash
Deep.
Jacob Fatu on this war game match.
Oh no.
Now the Usos
Table 1D.
is going with table and Freddy table to smash Jacob Fatu. Now Jimmy Usos is going on top rope. Tonga Loa want to save, but Jey Uso is spare on Loa brothers.
Oh.
Jimmy Uso
Blue Thunder Bomb.
is going on top rope.
Oh, again.
And Jacob Fatu is lying down on the table. Now Jimmy Uso is going on top of the steel cage. Jimmy Uso ready to smash Jacob Fatu.
Uso splash.
Usos splash on Jacob Fatu from the top of steel cage and fully destroy Jacob Fatu on this war game match. Now Solo Sikoa is the one man
Surrender.
standing from his team,
Just give up.
and Roman Reigns, Jimmy Uso, Jey Uso, Sami Zayn and CM Punk surround a Solo Sikoa. Roman Reigns try to convince Solo Sikoa and acknowledge him,
Just shake his hand, man. Surrender.
but Solo Sikoa
Oh,
super kick, another super kick, double super kick by the Usos. Is Sami Zayn is ready for the Helluva kick on Solo Sikoa. Now CM Punk
Go to
is ready for go to sleep on Solo Sikoa. Roman Reigns is ready for the spear on Solo Sikoa and cover by Roman Reigns. Victory on team Roman Reigns, CM Punk, Sami Zayn and the Usos. Now Roman Reigns is going face to face with Beast Incarnate Brock Lesnar on Monday Night Raw. Roman Reigns face to face with Beast Incarnate Brock Lesnar on Monday Night Raw. Beast Incarnate fully soaked off when Roman Reigns returned on Monday Night Raw for the Survivor Series War Game. Superman punch on Beast Incarnate Brock Lesnar from Roman Reigns on this Monday Night Raw. All the security guards try to forcibly stop Roman Reigns and Brock Lesnar. Adam Pearce and all the security guards forcibly stop Brock Lesnar. Bronson Reed is behind from Roman Reigns and going to elbow drop on Roman Reigns. Brock Lesnar is going backstage of WWE with the security guards and also Paul Heyman with him. Now Roman Reigns smash Big Bronson Reed and going for CM Punk held Logan Paul by the kendo stick, and Roman Reigns is going for a spear on Big Bronson Reed on this Monday Night Raw.